Meaning of inline skating.
Inline skating.
Inline skating.
Inline skating.
Inline skating. Inline skating, also known as rollerblading, is a popular recreational activity and sport where participants wear a specialized type of roller skates with wheels arranged in a single line, rather than the traditional 2x2 arrangement found on quad skates. This design allows for greater speed, agility, and maneuverability, making it a popular choice for urban and suburban environments. Inline skating can be performed on various surfaces, including concrete, asphalt, and indoor rinks. It is enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels and has inspired numerous competitions, events, and even an inline skating movie.